Japet Aguilar, a big name na nagbabalik dito sa PBA.
Well, kung pag-uusapan natin ang talk and text, definitely si Japet Aguilar ang pag-uusapan natin, no? But hindi lang si Japet Aguilar ang dapat natutuwa natin dito sa laro, no? Because yung Meralco, ang dami ng bagong player, Chiki, no? 7 new players coming in. Isali na natin si Mark Borboran na nasali na din dito sa Meralco team.
Ito si Japet Aguilar, sabi nga magpapakitang gilas sa batong si Japet coming back here at the PBA. Sabi nila naburo daw ito sa bangko sa Smart Gilas at hindi lang yan. Yung mga counterparts niya, si Marshall Lassiter, Chris Lutz, ay nagpakitang gilas na dito. So, ano kaya ang maipapakita nitong si Japet Aguilar sa kanyang pagbabalik after playing only one game? At yan ang ating poll question. Pwede kayong bumoto. Letter A, oo, magiging isa siya sa mga dominanteng big man dito sa PBA. Or letter B, hindi. Hanggang potential na lang itong si Japet Aguilar. Sayang. Para po sa inyong mga boto, you can vote via Facebook, www.facebook.com/PBA on active. O di kaya, sundan nyo kami sa aming Twitter account at PBA on active. Pero para sa iyo, Kinito, kaya bang bantayan ni Japet yung mga pinakita ng mga kapwa gilas niya like Lassiter at si Lutz?
But Jiggy, depende yan kung paano gagamitin ni Coach Shot Reyes si Japet Aguilar. And kung paano yung chemistry niya, no? Sa buong kupunan ng talking text. Not only that, kung sino din ang tatao sa kanya, kung anong klaseng depensa ang ipapakita ng Meralco sa kanya. Alam natin, yung dating isang gilas player na si Jason Ballesteros, halos kahawig ang posisyon nilang dalawa ni Japet Aguilar, no? Number 4 position, palagay ko, ang gagamitin ni Coach Shot Reyes para kay Japet Aguilar.
Siguro maganda kong marinig natin straight from the mouth of Japet Aguilar. Ano ba ang iniisip niya dito sa kanyang pagbabalik sa PBA?
Talk and text and sila championship team. We have a lot of good players, a lot of talented players. So hopefully maka-adjust ako quickly sa sistema nila. And really excited kasi talagang iba eh pag naglalaro ka sa court. So I'm really excited to play with them.
Nabanggit dito, excitement nitong si Japet Aguilar. Pero tingnan muna natin, ano ba ang madadala niya, anong mabibigay niya na bago dito sa talk and text. Alam naman natin that talk and text is a running game. They thrive on the open court. What can Japet give for the Chopang Texters?
But Chiki, no doubt, no? Athleticism ni Japet Aguilar, nandun na, no? At meron siyang experience having come from the NCAA Division I team, Western Kentucky. He's a dunker, he's got a nice shot from medium range, pero, alam mo, depende yan sa complementary players na nandun sa loob ng court along with Japet Aguilar.
Ito yung unang laro ni Japet dito sa PBA na naglaro siya for Burger King. 4 minutes lang Kinito, but he was able to log in 10 points, 9 rebounds, 2 assists, and 1 shot block. Sa tingin mo, with 4 minutes for the Talk and Text Chopang Texters, mahihilitan pa kaya ni Japet sa kanyang unang performance?
Alam mo, nakakagulat at nakaka-impress yung sa statistics ni Japet Aguilar with only 4 minutes. If you make that a 48-minute game and you extrapolate, sobra-sobra na ang puntos at rebound na makukuha ni Japet Aguilar. But depende rin kung anong klaseng chemistry na ibibigay ng point guard. I think Japet Aguilar needs to have possession of the ball. He's a player who doesn't like to play with his back to the basket. He's an outside player. Let's see how he can adjust to his new system sa PBA.
Nabanggit mo itong Talk and Text Chopang Texters. Aba, halos wala silang pinalitan sa kanilang lineup. Kung di ako nagkakamali, isa lang ang kanilang rookie na kinuha na si Pamboy Raimundo. Ano kaya ang kahalagahan nitong si Pamboy Raimundo at si Aguilar sa game na to with the absence of 3 key players in Alapag, Williams, and De Ocampo?
So, Chiki, alam natin si Pamboy Raimundo, galing sa San Sebastian, has a reputation as a good defensive player. At karoon natin tayo ng balita at during the off-season, nakipag-away na yata si Pamboy Raimundo kay Inoa.
Kulay na doon.
In a game against Rainer siya, practice game po yan, nakapagsundo na si Pamboy Raimundo. He is a player who will not back down. At yan ang klase player na gusto-gusto ni Coach Shot Reyes.
Doon naman tayo sa Meralco, may voltahe daw sila, bagong voltahe. 6 new players, 2 of them rookies, kalahati lang team bago. Now, how will this affect their first game against the Philippine Cup defending champions?
Actually, Jiggy, 7 new players na because isang natin si Borboran. And that's a lot of new players, a lot of new faces para sa Meralco. But sabi nga ni Coach Ryan Gregorio, ang orientation ngayon ng Meralco is going to be defense. He is going to stress toughness at yan ang isang pagkukulang na sabi niya na i-address nila sa season na ito.
Kanina, pinito na itong Meralco. Defense daw ang gusto nila. But you mentioned earlier before the coverage na nung mga nakaraang komperensya, maganda naman ang pinakita nila defensively. So ano pa kaya yung gustong gugutin ni Coach Ryan from his ball to
Well, hindi lang yung depensa, palagay ko, ang orientation ng Meralco. I think malaki din ang pagkukulang nila sa offense. If you compare yung performance nila sa first conference last season, wala si Mercado doon. Mercado hindi na makakalaro sa game na to. But si Cardona played for Meralco in the first conference last season, yung Philippine Cup, and they were not among the top teams offensively. In fact, number 9 sila sa offensa. So yan ang isang pagkukulang ng Meralco. And with a lot of new players like Lanete, with Mark Macapagal, they are scorers from the backcourt. I think they will play major roles in the offensive flow ng Meralco.
So tingnan po natin na subaybayan natin itong game na to. 4-2 lamang po ang Meralco. Barely 2 minutes here in our game. At balik po ang bola dito sa Bolts.
Well, Chiki, no? Nabanggit ko kanina that yung natural position ni Japet Aguilar is number 4. Yan ang pwesto niya sa Gilas because nandun naman si Marcus Daukin. But dito nakikita natin, no? Maybe because Coach Chotres feels that they need his height to match up against a big guy like Ati Tauraba. Japet Aguilar at the number 5 position. I'm not sure how he is going to perform at that position. As I said kanina, no, he's a player who doesn't like to play with his back to the basket. Let's see whether he can adjust.
Alam mo, kanina nasabi rin ni Coach Ryan na bukod sa moniker or pangalan na Bolts for Meralco, may tinatawag siyang mga bakal boys ng kanyang Meralco Bolts. Ito kaya magpapahirap dito para kay Japet Aguilar?
Well, Chiki, marami din siyang mga bakal boys, no? Hindi lang si Marquis. But I think Mark Isip also can be classified as one of those bakal boys. Sinasabi na Brian Paulo, the guy, 6'5", also is joining the Meralco team. But you see, si Tablado now with 6 points. And ito sabi natin kanina, no? Japet Aguilar, we see him taking a medium range shot. He's not gonna post up, not a back to the basket type of player. At nahihirapan siyang dumepensa against a natural number 5 player in si Taulava, who already has 6 points.
Sabangan po natin yan. But meantime, Larry Fuller scoring off a fast break. 8-6 po lamang ang Bolts. 9:30 to go here in our first quarter. At pick up po agad ang aksyon para po sa ating second game. Marquis playing against his former team. Timberlake pinasa dito kay Cardona. Under the basket. At apat na po ang kalamangan ng Meralco. 10-6.
Well, that kind of back pick that Mark Cardona used is something that can show his offensive prowess. Diyan magaling si Mark Cardona. Yung movement without the ball ba, pumasok siya dun sa ilalim, nakakuha siya ng puwang, and off against the defenders natin from share.
Pero ito, pinaliligiran si Mark Cardona ng mga ilang kakampi na hindi pa siya ganun kagamay. No? We have Timberlake, alam naman natin, sanay siya maglaro with Sol Mercado. We also have Marquis and 2 veteran players in Taulava and Despinas. Mag-iiba kaya itong laro ni Cardona?
Palagay ko hindi. I think Cardona is a very intelligent player. Marunong siya mag-adjust. Ito nakakuha ng turnover ang Meralco. Yung sinasabi natin at toughness na hinahanap ni Coach Ryan Gregorio sa Meralco, that's the reason kung bakit nasa loob ngayon ng court si Marquis playing tough defense against Larry Fonasher.
And speaking of toughness, that was a tough defensive stance there para sa tropang Texters. Turnover para kay Marquis. Hindi siya nagkaamuyan doon ni Asi Taulava. Tough assignment here for Timberlake against Castro. Larry for 3. Hindi lang pumasok, but Aguilar with the rebound. At hindi pa rin pinapala ditong talk and text sa kanilang 3-point shooting.
Magandang ikot ng bola ng Dawkins Tex, but they just haven't found the mark. Ang hirap dito sa Dawkins Tex is that they now have to play a game without their regular key players. No? Wala, sabi mo nga kanina, no? Sige, wala si Kelly Williams, wala nila Ocampo. Freshly operated on his nose, fractured nose. At saka si Jimmy Alapad. And talking about Randy Del Campo, ang ganda naman ang pinakita niya, no? For Smart Gira sa Wuhan. And he suffered his fractured nose after his first PBA season. He had a procedure na temporary just to be able to make him play sa for Smart Gira sa Wuhan. But after that, he had to have a more permanent procedure to fix the damage in his nose. And I'm sure nakikinig sa atin si Ranidel. Kumusta ka, Ranidel? Hope you get back on the court soon. Namimiss ka rito.
Matindi talagang veterano si Ranidel, injured and all. But back here at the game, Espinas against Harvey Carey. At ito si birthday boy, Jason Ballesteros, also in for the Bolts. Cardona, binasa sa loob kay Espinas, hindi lang nasambot.
Cardona is down.
Sumabit yung right ankle niya doon. Dito, he landed on the wrong foot.
Let's hope it's not a bad injury, something that could knock him out for the rest of this game. Alam natin na Meralco is not going to be able to play Sol Mercado. Ito makita natin, pagsak ni Cardona, hindi maganda.
Parang naapakan yata yung paa ni Larry.
He's up now. Looks okay. Kanina nabanggit natin si Ballesteros at saka si Japet Aguilar will probably face off at the number 4 spot. And now we're seeing them playing both at the number 5 spot. Still matched up against each other. And Cardona is helped.
Dito, good start for Meralco. Pinaupo si Cardona. We're not sure kung makababalik siya. How will this affect the game on the board now with their leader out?
Ako, responsibility yan ng mga kakampi ni Mac Cardona for them to take the cudgels. And remember, in the early spurt ng Meralco, they went to the inside guy. Si Asita Laban nakakuha ng 6 points out of the total 10 ng Meralco. And I think that's something that they will want to continue to go to. Attack the defense ni Japet Aguilar.
Ryan Reyes sumubok, pumasok sa loob. Good defense there by the Bolts. At nagmamadali ang orange shirt pababa sa kanilang side of the court. Timberlake Menyas na play. Espinas umatake pa loob. Off the glass. 12-8 po. Lamang po ng 4 ang Meralco. 7 minutes to go here in the first quarter. Harvey Carey naghaharap ng mababasahan. Again, that matchup Aguilar on Ballesteros.
And getting the 2 points.
Anong kalamangan ni Japet dyan playing against someone na kakampi niya in Smart Gira at nakalaban niya in a lot of their practices?
Alam mo, parehas lang yan eh. Both of them know each other's moves. But one thing very clear, no? Sabi ko nga kanina, Aguilar is not a player who will play with his back to the basket. He's going to attack facing up. And Jason Ballesteros, alam niya yan. So dapat bantayan niya yung galaw ni Aguilar because he's got movement. He's got nice quickness. And he's got that style to move closer to the basket coming from the outside.
But Aguilar got the better end of that matchup earlier. Tingnan natin, makakabawi itong si Ballesteros sa kanilang matchup.
Makapagal now in the game. And he's there for one thing and one thing only. That's 3-point shooting.
Timberlake for 3. Kapit! Castro. At lamang po ng 5 dito ang Bolts, 15-10, halfway into the first quarter.
Alam mo, nakakagulat dito, JP, no? Si Jason Castro really has not been able to establish ang kanyang presence and authority in the game. And you would think, for such a dominant player in the last PBA finals, that he would reprise that role. So far, wala pa masyadong napapakita, Jason.
Ang alam ko, meron pa rin iniindaring injury.
Palagay ko nga.
Baseline jumper for Carey. Hindi pa rin pinagbuenas dito ang talking text sa kanilang outside jumpers. And Timberlake wise enough to slow down sa kanilang ofensiba. 15 to shoot. Maganda ba ang depensa ang pinakikita dito ng talking text at buenas lang sa labas itong Meralco?
Well, okay din ang pagpapakita ng depensa ng Talking Tech in that particular situation. For instance, hindi nakapasok sa loob ang Meralco. And that's key. anytime you're able to play good interior defense, hindi makapasok ng kalaban and make them take the jump shot, then you're doing fine because the other side is taking low percentage shots.
At ito po ang unang nating ceasefire dito sa ating game between Meralco and Token Text. Magbabalik po ang inyong PBA on Active.
Nandito na po tayo ulit sa 37th season ng PBA, live from Inares Center dito po sa Antipolo. At nakausap ko po ang ilang mga tao dun sa bench ng Meralco Balls. At tinanong ko kung ano ang kondisyon ni Mac Cardona ngayon. Mukha namang hindi pa official kung ano nangyari sa palagay po nila ankle sprain. At hindi pa doon nila sigurado kung makakalaro pa siya. Siguro po ano na lang, i-update ko na lang po kayo maya-maya. Chiki, yan ka dito?
Maraming salamat, Jessica Mendoza, ang ating courtside reporter. Mac Cardona for the Meralco Bulls. Not sure to come back. But apart from that, Kinito, ano ba ang aabangan natin dito sa dalawang kupunan? Nagkakapaan pa sila in the first 6 minutes of the game. What will we look forward to for these two ball clubs?
Well, Shiki, meron akong prepare dito, no? Yung sinasabi natin na Dean's List. As you see, Sol Mercado, isa sa mga hindi makakadaro. Ganun din si Chris Ross. As you see, Jason Castro taking his free throws. For Token Text, 3 puntos yan. Ha? Unang-una, yung equal distribution ng bola. Alam natin, number 1 sila sa assists in the last Philippine Cup. And you would expect that same kind of ball movement from Token Text. Pangalawa, attacking the interior. Penetration is a major part of their offensive game. And that means Jason Castro has to be aggressive in going inside. Pangatlo, lockdown on Cardona. Well, Cardona is now sitting down, but if he were playing on the court, definitely you will want to make sure that he doesn't get the usual 20 points again.
Mabigat yun para sa Token Text. Makakala nila gawin. Mention, itong si Jason Castro attack the interior, but in that particular play, fast break ang ginawa. Doon naman tayo dito sa Meralco. They have a 1-point lead. They're playing well here in the first quarter. Ano nga abangan natin for them?
Well, nakita natin, no? In the last Philippine Cup, Meralco was second most turnovers in terms of lahat ng mga teams sa PBA, no? And that's something they must address. Efficiency in their execution is number 1. Pressure on Jason Castro. Nakita natin, he had an easy lane for the layup shot kanina after that breakaway. I think they need to put pressure on Castro and not allow him to orchestrate. Pangatlo, clear the boards. Make sure that they're tough underneath with Ballesteros, Ati Taulava, Gabby Espinas, making sure walang masyadong penetration and second chance attempts at Token Text.
So marami po tayong aabangan for both squads. Mga tatlong na obserbahan natin na kailangan lang gawin para makakuha ng panalo sa kanilang unang game dito sa Philippine Cup.
Ito yung sinasabi natin about toughness underneath the board. Nakakuha ng offensive rebound, unlock and check, and chance for second chance opportunities. At nakatira doon si Harvey Carey from inside.
Pero kinakailangan na ibahin yung tira niya. No? Itong si Jason Ballesteros napakahaba din ng galamay. But 5 points there ready for Harvey Carey.
Na konting tulong dito sa rebounding for Jason Ballesteros. At nasa loob ngayon si Mark Isip.
Alam mo, bigat nito, no? Kinito, 3 mark. Yung nasa loob, meron kang Mark Makapagal, meron kang Mark Isip, at meron kang Mark E.
At sa bangko ng Meralco, meron pa mga mark, ano?
Marami pa.
Okay.
Na maririnig natin maya-maya lang. Ang hirap no, sa ensayo at sa laro. How do you call each other when a lot of your players have the same first name?
Kaya kung pareho din ang mga nickname nila, sana naman hindi.
Yung mga alias nila. Ball's back on the side of the court. A little over 3 minutes left in this first quarter. 10 to shoot para po sa shot clock ng Meralco. Makapagal, naghahanap, napapasahan. Mark Isip for a short jumper. At ang veteran coach, nialipik naman si Jason Ballesteros. Kinalabit ng konti para siguradong hindi ma-save yung bola.
Ayun ang sinasabi natin. Welcome to the PBA. To our birthday boy, rookie Jason Ballesteros.
Birthday pa, no? Siguro sabi na, ano ba naman welcome sa akin dito? Hindi, hindi warm.
O si Japet Aguilar, sitting on the bench, Shiki. I would expect that maya-maya makikita natin si Japet maybe play the number 4 position. Maybe in tandem with an Ali Pick. Doon natin makikita siguro yung totoong potential ni Japet Aguilar, no?
Pag nagsabay na sila, oo. Pati yung Mark Makapagal, muntik na pumukol doon. Pero binigay kay Chico Laniete. A new addition also for the Bolts. Natapik ni Ali Peak. Balik kay Isip. And it doesn't go in. Castro, Pilino, parang kulang din yung takbo ni Jason Castro. Normally, when he gets that ball and he sees na konti lang yung defender, he attacks immediately. But this time around, mukhang pumupull back siya.
Well, a hard foul that time on the shot inside from Rich Alvarez. Si Mark Isip ang natawagan ng personal foul. Yun ang toughness na hinahanap ni Coach Ryan Gregorio. Pinakita doon ni Mark Isip.
Nagbabalik po tayo dito sa Iñares Center sa Antipolo. Meralco kontra Token Tex. Pero bago po yan, sino ang tataguri ang 2011 Philippine National Pool Champion? Alamin po sa 2011 BSCP National Pool Championship. October 9 po yan. 12 noon at October 10 and 11 alas 5 po ng hapon. Dito lang sa Active on IBC.
Gigi, ano nga yung question ulit natin tungkol kay Japet Aguilar?
Maganda yung tanong na yan. Para po sa ating poll question, makapagpapakitang gilas na ba itong si Japet? At kung gusto niyong bumoto, letter A, oo, magiging isa siya sa mga dominanteng big man sa PBA. Or letter B, hindi, hanggang potential na lang siya. Sayang, you can vote sa aming Facebook account, www.facebook.com/PBAonActive, or sa aming Twitter @PBAonActive. Do not marinig ang inyong mga boto, mga puro-puro. So make sure that you join us. Magkakakampi po tayong lahat dito sa PBA.
Kakampihan ba nyo si Japet Aguilar o hindi? So far in this game, 4 points and 2 rebounds for Japet Aguilar.
Mabigat na question at mabigat din itong assignment. Pamboy Raimundo, pinasok na for Token Tex kontra dito kay Chico Laniete. Naiwanan ni Laniete. Pero all board ang tinamaan. Pamboy handling the ball for the first time. Back to Raimundo, 10 to shoot para po sa Propang Texters. Nice pick by Ali Peak. Dish out to Alvarez, kapos ang tira.
Nagkasara na execution, no? Yung pick tapos set, allowing Pamboy Raimundo to penetrate then to kick out. Oh, yes!
Magandang tira yun. Si Chico Laniete, off balance and all. And against a big guy like Ali Peak, pinatama pa sa board. Karamihan, Kinito, mastery of the backboard. And I guess, karamihan sa ating mga gwardya, really have to master that for them to be able to be good guards here in the PBA.
Well, shot maker si Chico Laniete. At yan ang isang dahilan kung bakit kinuha siya ni Coach Ryan Gregorio. I think he needed more points coming from the point guard position.
At malaking bagay din yun, Kinito, with the absence of Chris Ross, yung maitutulong nitong si Chico Laniete sa pagtitimod dito sa Meralco Bolts.
Tama yun, no? If you go back to the statistics ng Meralco in the first conference last season, ang tumimon sa kanila si Pong Escabal, who was later traded on before the end of that conference. Si Chris Ross, naglaro din para sa kanila, wasn't really able to give them consistent points, no, from that point guard position. Maybe Chico Laniete might be able to provide that. Alam mo, malaking responsibilidad nito for Mark Macapagal, who's playing the two position, with Mark Cardona sitting down at saka si Sol Mercado not able to play.
Malaki yung pupunan itong si Mark Macapagal. But Raimundo, balik sa side ng court nila, sumigzag. At tatawagan ng foul doon si Chico Laniete. 2018 naman po dito ang Meralco. Less than a minute to go sa ating first quarter. Yun nga lang, penalty na dito ang Meralco Bulls. Makikita natin attempt ni Pamboy Raimundo from the stripe.
Pamboy looks very confident in his PBA debut. Okay yung pinapakita niya rito. May voice yung bata.
Pinakabata yata to, dito sa
That's
lahat
right.
ng active players na.
22 years old. Si Paul Lee is actually also 22 years old, but several months older si Paul Lee kay Pamboy.
Tabla na po tayo, 20 all. 47 seconds to go dito sa first quarter. The ball trying to execute in this possession. Umulon against Dillinger. 3 to shoot. Nasa kamay pa rin nila Niete ang bola. Bail-out shot para sa Meralco. 20, 31 seconds to go.
Parang sukat na sukat ni Lunete. Yung oras na yon.
Di nataranta eh. Dahan-dahan niyang sinigzag paloob. Yun nga lang nagmadali doon ang talk and text sa kanilang opensiba. Meralco will have the chance or last chance to take a shot here in the first quarter. Mano-mano Lenete on Raimundo. Oops! Tik nang ma-turnover ang bola. Quick hands there by Alvarez. But pinaul si Raimundo ni Laniete.
That's a big mistake.
Penalty na po dito.
Exactly. 5 seconds to go. Big mistake for Lunete in giving up that foul. Nasa penalty na sila. So, double back kayo. Siya nakapagbigay ng turnover and then giving a chance for talking text to tie this ball game.
Anong kahalagahan dito in closing out a quarter with the ball in your hands or kayo ang pumuntos? As we take a look, of course, si MVP Manny Pangilinan ang leader dito ng talk and text.
Pati rin din sa Meralco.
Exactly.
But your question, I think it's important, no? That the team with the last basket of any quarter gets a the next quarter was
Pero dito po, tabla po tayo, 22 all. Walang momentum on both sides. Magandang arangkada ng Meralco. Humabol ang talk and text. At ano po yung mga dahilan kung ba't nagkaganyan score natin this year? Ating Taulava. Kasama rin of course si Mac Macardona. Yun nga lang, natapilok. At hindi pa natin alam kung makababalik sa dito sa game. At sa kabila naman, as we mentioned, si Japet Aguilar. Ang pagbabalik, makapagpapakitang gilas pa kaya. Ito, si Aguilar. Magbabalik po ang